Are you like me and you get stress headaches from hunching over your keyboard? Or is your chair leaving a lot to be desired in terms of support? It's time to counteract all of that tension with a deep, comfortable neck and back massage from your own home. How's it going, you guys? I'm Devin Howard, and today on Unbox This, I'm getting into a product that I personally swear by. It is such a lifesaver. I've convinced my friends and family to buy one for themselves. The Naipo Shiatsu Neck and Shoulder Massager combines rolling massage balls and heat to knead out sore, tense muscles, leaving you feeling refreshed and relaxed. I suffer from tension headaches. They come on when I've spent too much time sat in my chair staring at a computer screen. And let me tell you, nothing is more refreshing than coming home, slipping on my neck and shoulder massager, turning on my favorite show, and relaxing while my neck and back get some much needed TLC. If your back and neck needs some lovin', listen up because we're unboxing a device that's going to save your muscles. Let's unbox this. I'm particularly excited about this Unbox This episode because I feel like if you guys really listen to me and actually get one of these for yourself, it'll change your life. And if I can play any role in that, that's amazing. That means a lot to me. So let me get this out of the box. I'm gonna show you guys how incredible this product really is. Okay, we have the power cord here. And then we actually have a car adapter. Whoa. Okay, so here is the massager. I know it looks kind of crazy, but it is so effective. We also have the user manual here. So if you need that, you've got it available to you. All right, you guys, let's discuss the Naipo Shiatsu Shoulder and Neck Massager. I'm gonna clear off the table so we can really get into it. I use this Shiatsu Shoulder and Neck Massager every single week, and it truly helps me fend off headaches and muscle soreness. With 3 adjustable massage speeds, you can choose if you want something a little more slow and gentle or something fast and intense. You just press this button right here. So let me show you how I wear this. I slip this around my shoulders, and then you put your arms through here. So you stick your arms through the armholes right here, and that helps keep the massager in place. The 8 deep kneading shiatsu massage modes dig deep into your stiff muscles, relieving tension and relaxing you. And what's really nice about it is if you want a little bit more intensity, you just press down harder on the armholes and you'll feel your massage get a little bit deeper. I also love that the massager is heated. So the heat is going to help soothe your back and neck. You just press this button right here. It never gets too hot. It just gently warms you and relaxes your muscles. The massager automatically shuts off after 20 minutes, so you won't have to worry about it overheating. The material of the massager is super soft and skin friendly. This part here is made of faux leather, so it's durable and easy to clean. If you want to take this on a long car ride with you, you can because it comes with that car adapter that I showed you, so it's very mobile and portable. The Naipo Shiatsu massager works by targeting acupuncture points. The bi-directional rolling balls get deep into stiff muscles, offering you the relief you need. I personally use this on my shoulders and on my neck, but you can wrap it around your lower back, your arms, your legs, if that's where you need the massage the most. I've used the Naipo Shiatsu massager when I felt a headache coming on, and after 20 minutes of heated massage therapy, my headache has gone away. I really cannot recommend this product enough. I'm gonna turn this on so you guys can see what it looks like when everything is moving, when the heat's on, so let's do that right now. Look at that. So the red light indicates that the heat is turned on. So it'll start to warm up in just a second. You can see those bi-directional massage balls doing their thing. There's larger massage balls and there's smaller ones. So you're really going to get a very deep and complete massage. Okay, so I have slipped the massager on and oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's actually making it really difficult for me to focus on filming this video, so it's probably a good idea if I turn it off. Super easy to do, just press that button right there and it's off. This is incredible. Even just doing it for like the 10 seconds that I had it on, I already feel a little bit more rejuvenated to go about the rest of my day. If you want to try one of these for yourself, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know in the comments section if this product sounds like something you need in your life. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!